Hey guys, in this video I want to cover one of the more common calls we get for these thermostats, and that is in regards to them turning off and on by themselves. Now they do have a sort of learning function in them where they will pick up on your habits and start to turn on and off as it feels that you would typically want it to do, and that can get pretty frustrating. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to disable that. You want to first make sure that it isn't in auto, which will turn off and on as it needs depending on temperature. But to get rid of the settings, the schedule, you want to go under settings. You want to go all the way over by turning clockwise to the reset function. Now it's going to give you options after this. Don't be scared to hit it. Press it once, go to auto schedule, hit that, and then hit reset. It's going to ask you to turn the dial all the way to the right clockwise to confirm that is what you want. Do that, press it once, and after about 10 seconds it will turn off and then turn back on. It'll have like a little minute or two of delay as it loads back up, but that should get rid of all of your scheduling problems as far as it doing what it wants. Anything after that, feel free to give us a call and we can go ahead and troubleshoot it with you or see what exactly we can do for you guys. Hope that helped.